Hello beautiful people, in today's video I'll be showing you how we made pap. Pap is a local simple Nigerian breakfast meal gotten from a fermented corn. You see, pap helps in regulating blood sugar level. It also helps the nursing mother. Pap is good, it gives energy, and you can take pap with whatever you like. You can take with moi moi, you can take with akara, you can take with oba, you can take with plantain and so forth. And some people do this pap and find out that it has some lumps in it. It's because you don't know the techniques of preparing pap. So watch this video to the end and see how I made this one. And also I'll be taking this pap with oba. Sit back and relax. Thank you.
Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering lights, can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering life's trials and frowns, I'll keep my eyes on the prize, evergreen joy, my heart's surprise. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. The battle's won and the skies are clear. Evergreen joy, my spirit's cheer, a lasting bliss forever true. It's life's great gift given to you. The struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. The journey